have been involved as a supervisor since dinosaurs roamed, okay? But we'll just say that. And I was elected in 2000, and I started going to NACo. And every time I went to NACo, I came back with something of value that I could use for my county. So when they had this particular project, and I started to notice and begin to fear that we were developing faster than we had policy to develop correctly. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
Okay, so where we ended up, what really kind of slapped you in the face was we have one person that wants to develop inside the city limits, which we have no jurisdiction over. They want to fill 11 of 19 acres. There are 19 acres. They want to fill 11 acres of wetlands and put in 70 homes in the only area where all the drainage from the entire area goes. That was like, oh, well, we've got to do something about this. So the Corps of Engineers did send us a letter and ask for our comments. So I really am pro-development, and I love to have people make money because that is a sign of a good economy, in my opinion. However, you cannot, if we do not start working as more conservationists and trying to work with Mother Nature, she always has the last word, and we know that. So we have flooding at almost every rain event. So we're starting to see the effects of that upland development. So it's time to do something about it.